Alright guys, so we got the mouse droid back at home. Today's the next day. We got my sister with us. We're going to be unboxing the mouse droid.
Mom.
Yeah, you have to take the tape off. The box. A lot of details to it. Alright, so now let's get to the good part. Wow, that's big. Ready? So this is supposed to be Bluetooth. It's like connected to your phone, I'm guessing. Test. So you drive?
Yeah.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah. Yeah. Woohoo. Hi.
You know, you go straight. This is go. This is backwards.
Oh, so it's like the opposite?
Yeah, so when I mean to go forward, I go backwards. And it's like this is, you think it would turn that way, but it turns I guess that.
We got a mouse in the camper.
Go in your kennel.
It moves pretty fast.
Yeah, it's just hard because it's no. I'll let you drive in a minute, okay? Alright, so here we are with the Star Wars mouse droid. Really cool. You can choose, I'm pretty sure you can choose how fast it goes. Because there's like a speedy thing on the bottom, you can change it around. Really cool. There's LEDs and it goes really fast. It's like a Star Wars RC car. It's like a fast Star Wars RC car. Highly recommend. I feel like it's, if you love Star Wars, I love mouse droids. It's like goofy in the movies. Yeah, so if you're into RC cars, Star Wars, I highly recommend this. The price, I think it might be a little too much, but I think it's still worth it. It's cool. Hard to drive around in the camper. It would probably be a lot more easier on the driveway than like your house where in your living room or your room where it's bigger. But yeah, highly recommend it. It's really cool. It comes in a cool box. I think it was worth the outlay in the $100. Thank you for watching. Have a great time.